Hello everyone and welcome to Wondershare Recover It. I know how frustrating it can be when your hard drive won't boot in Windows. I've dealt with that issue myself and it was a complete nightmare. But the good thing is, today we'll explore some step-by-step solutions that I've tested myself to fix this problem once and for all. So together we'll troubleshoot and fix the hard drive won't boot in Windows pop-up message that keeps appearing on your screen. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and give this video a thumbs up so our channel keeps growing. Now without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. There are several reasons why your computer might run into the boot error. For me, understanding the cause of this issue is the first step to fixing the problem once and for all. So let's look at the most common reasons why your computer might run into this boot error. Reason number one, inappropriate BIOS boot sequence. The BIOS is what helps your computer locate the operating system. And if the boot sequence in the BIOS is incorrect, then the system won't be able to locate the bootable drive, making you stuck at startup. Reason number two, virus in the boot sector. While most viruses target regular files, some go further and damage the boot sector. I've seen how this can disrupt the entire boot process, making the system unable to start. But even though it's frustrating, it's something that we can address. Reason number three, damaged hard drive. A damaged or corrupted hard drive is also one of the most common reasons. And these might be the trickiest of them all because physical damage and corrupted data often means that boot files are mostly inaccessible. There is a long list of reasons why your computer might act up and why it won't pass through the booting screen. But understanding these causes, it's already halfway into solving the problem. So now let's get into the fixes. For the sake of this video, I have come up with 4 effective methods that can help you fix the disk boot failure issue in Windows. And these are very simple and very easy to do by yourself. I'll guide you through step by step each method so you can follow along and fix your computer. Method number 1, change BIOS boot order. One of the first things I always check when troubleshooting a boot failure is the BIOS boot order. And as we have established earlier, an incorrect boot sequence can really prevent your system from finding its bootable hard drive. So, to fix your laptop's BIOS boot order, follow these simple steps. As your computer restarts, press the appropriate key to enter the BIOS. This key varies by manufacturers but is usually Escape, Delete, F2, F8, or F12. Then, once in the BIOS, use the arrow keys to go to the Boot tab. Position your hard drive as the first boot option and then press the appropriate key, often it is the F10, to save your settings and restart the system. This ensures your hard drive is prioritized during the boot process. If the issue persists, let's move to the next method. Method number 2, run CHKDSK. If your hard drive is experiencing any issues, then using the CHKDSK utility is a great way to not only identify, but also fix the problems. Here's how you can do it. Let's insert a Windows installation disk or bootable USB drive into your system. Then restart your computer and boot from the installation media. Once the setup screen appears, select your preferred language, time, and keyboard input. Then click Repair your computer in the bottom left corner of the window. Choose the Windows installation drive, which is usually C// and click Next to proceed. From the System Recovery Options screen, select Command Prompt to open a terminal window. In the command prompt, type the following command and then press Enter to run the command. Replace C:/ with the letter of the drive where your Windows installation is located if it's different. Then the system will scan the drive for errors and attempt to fix them. Once it's done, restart your computer to check if the issue has been resolved. Before you use the CHKDSK method, you might want to explore other methods. Method number 3, enable computer Windows repair option. Windows has built-in tools that can fix operating system related issues to boot failures. So let's look at those. Let's attach a Windows installation disk or bootable device and restart your computer. In the Windows Setup window, click Next and then select Repair your computer. Choose Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options. And then here, select Startup Repair from the list of advanced options. If Startup Repair doesn't resolve the issue, you can try System Restore to return your system to an earlier functional state. Method number 4, repair boot configuration data. A corrupted boot configuration data is another common cause for boot errors. So let's try repairing it to see if we can fix the problem. Let's press Windows plus R, then type CMD and press Enter. Then let's type the following commands and then pressing Enter after each one. Once all the commands have been executed, let's type Exit to close the command prompt. Then restart your system. This process rebuilds the BCD, resolving issues that prevent the system from booting. For me, these are my go-to methods whenever my laptop disk drive won't open or boot normally. But now, this is the perfect time to talk about your important files and everything you have on your drives so you don't come down to a heartbreak. Let's do it. If you've tried all the fixes and it still doesn't work, I know how frustrating and worrying that can be, especially when your data is at risk. Thankfully, there's a solution using Wannashare Recover It, because you can restore and backup your files even when your system does not start. It's super easy to use, fast, reliable, and you can use it on both Mac and Windows. So let me guide you through how to use this software. Let's start by installing Recover It on a working computer. You'll also need a blank USB drive or a CD/DVD disc. Then, once installed, connect the blank drive to the computer. To recover data from the unbootable system, you'll first create a bootable drive. So, launch Recover It on the working system and choose Recover from crashed computer. Then, click Start. Connect your blank USB drive or CD/DVD disc to the computer. Then select your preferred mode, which is either USB or CD/DVD disc, and then click Create to start the process. Then follow the on-screen instructions and the tool will format the drive and download the firmware, which takes just a few minutes. Now let's insert the bootable drive into your crashed computer and restart it. Now the system will boot using the drive and Recover It will launch automatically. Now select the drive where your data is stored and click Start to begin the scanning for lost files. Once the scan completes, you can preview your lost files and then select the ones you want to recover, then click Recover to save them to a secure location on a working system. This tool has saved me countless times, and I'm confident it will help you too. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video helped you fix your disk boot failure and also recover lost data using Wannashare Recover It. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment below with any questions or thoughts that you might have about this video or anything tech related. And please also kindly subscribe to our channel for more tech solutions. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.